2018 GMC 2500 HD. This truck has 4,000 miles, 4,600 miles to be exact, and has a SCA Performance factory lifted setup on it. Most people don't quite understand what that is, but if you've driven past a new car dealership and you've seen the lifted truck sitting out there, this was a factory equipped truck, just like American Luxury Coach and Choo Choo Customs and several others. SCA does the Black Widow edition, and that's what this is. This truck still carries full factory warranty, down to even the accessories that were installed, which is FabTech. Very well loaded truck. And again, the Black Widow edition. Has the factory built-in phone charger, the large screen in the dash, Bose premium stereo, WeatherTech floor mats. Has an upgraded Go-Rhino front bumper, which has a really neat storage area, which is built for a winch. Most people don't use a winch these days, but it would be great for straps and tools. It's got a little prop rod on there. You can add a winch. It also has a front receiver. There you can see the FabTech lift kit. Cab lights, LED lights, side steps, spray and bed liner, color matched fender flares, which are also bed liner material, dual exhaust, blacked out rear bumper with parking assist. We installed brand new 37-inch tires on it. These came with 35, so 37s fill the fender wells much better, and went to a 22-inch hostile wheel. One good looking truck, no matter how you cut it. Inside and out, basically as perfect as you can get, no rust. We have to do a detail on this truck. We've yet to do that, but once it's detailed, they won't get much nicer. You surely won't find one with 4,000 miles equipped like this. The SCA package with all the options this truck has is almost a $20,000 factory upgrade. Of course, they do it to the new truck so they can include the warranty, and they use extremely good products when they do it. If you have any questions, reach out. Obviously, we have plenty of other trucks for sale as well. Take the time to check our website, davis4x4.com or davisautosales.com. If you have financial needs, you can apply on our website at the credit application. Just hit the credit app button. Very user friendly. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can stay up to date with all of our new videos and new inventory as well.